Hi, this is Rochelle Teeling-Smith. I am a professor of physics at the University of Mount Union in Alliance, Ohio, and I am also a member of the STEM coding team. The STEM coding project is an education initiative where we design interesting programming modules that can be integrated into the STEM classroom. Our target audience is 7th graders through 12th graders, and we design free, easily accessible, interactive video game-like programming modules. They are modular in nature and they can be put right into a high school class or right into a lab, and where students can learn to do coding in addition to learning the concepts in their classroom. Part of the education initiative for the STEM coding project is teacher training. That's a big aspect of what we do. And so we provide a lot of professional development opportunities for our teachers, most often in the form of online training in the summertime. However, this summer we have something special. So we are going to be at the Pathfinders Summer Institute in Bloomington, Indiana. And so this is a week-long in-person training. The workshop is hosted in Bloomington, Indiana. It's called Pathfinders, and it's July 14th through 19th. So this is a major national computer science event. And so it's one of the biggest professional development opportunities for computer science or computer science interested teachers in the United States. More than 100 teachers attend each summer. And so it's really a great opportunity to not only get some training and to contribute to your professional development, but also to network with other like-minded individuals. This workshop costs about $1,000, which is a steep price. However, most teachers will set up a Donors Choose page to raise the funds to help them attend the workshop. So most often teachers don't have to pay anything out of pocket to go. The organization that hosts the Pathfinders Institute will help you raise the funds and will help advertise your Donors Choose page to make sure to support you in that way. In the STEM coding project, we're going to do that as well. We're going to advertise your page and make sure that we are helping assist you in every way possible, so hopefully that you are paying nothing out of pocket. So if you are a STEM teacher and you are teaching anywhere from grade 7 through grade 12 and you have an interest in figuring out what kind of computer programming tools are available, how do I integrate those into my classroom, this is a great opportunity for you. So if you go down toward the bottom of the page here, we're going to be posting a link that is going to take you directly to the Pathfinders Summer Institute page for the STEM coding project, where you could register and find out more information. You can also Google us, just type in STEM coding, or you can do u.osu.edu/STEM coding to go to our website. You can view the different programming activities that we have available, and you can also check out our YouTube channel. So we have a YouTube channel featuring a large number of tutorial videos where students go through each of these activities and they walk you through step by step and show you how to complete the programming activity. So it's an excellent resource for not only for our teachers who are teaching in the classroom, but also for students in the classroom as well. So thank you so much for your time today, and hopefully I will get a chance to meet you in person and see you at the Pathfinders Summer Institute this summer in July. I'll see you then.